Are you afraid you missed jury duty? Let me tell you about this long-running scam that preys on fears. I cover numerous scams such as this in my new book, Senior Cyber, available for pre-order on Amazon. Despite running for years, this con still successfully uses threatening calls and intimidating emails to scare people into paying up. Jury duty scams have staying power because they prey on fear of law enforcement. Well, how does a scam work? Well, you answer the phone, and it's someone claiming to be from the local law enforcement or judicial agency. The caller tells you that you've missed a jury duty summons and could be arrested. They may even claim that the warrant has already been issued. The caller may appear to be very legitimate, with caller ID showing a police phone number and an official sounding voice on the phone. The scammer tells you that fortunately you can avoid arrest by paying a fine. The scammer asks you to wire money or put cash on a prepaid debit card and share the PIN. Of course, the fine and the jury duty summons were never real. Like most long-running scams, jury duty cons have a few versions, not all of which ask you for money outright. In some cases, the jury duty scam may be used to trick you into providing sensitive personal information that could be used for identity theft. In another version, scammers use email and allegedly attach your jury summons to the message. The file is really malware, and downloading it will infect your computer. So how do you spot this scam? Well, first, be skeptical of email and unsolicited calls. Courts do not typically summon people via email, text message, or phone unless you're involved in a case and have opted into receiving other types of communication. Courts normally communicate through mail. Pick up the phone. If you ever question whether you need to appear in court, call the appropriate judicial agency. Don't call the number in the email, as that will likely just lead you to the scammer. And look for official websites in your jurisdiction, and be on the lookout for fake websites too. Ignore calls for immediate action. Scammers try to get you to act before you think by creating a sense of urgency, so don't fall for it. And beware of requests to pay via wire transfer or prepaid debit cards such as MoneyPack, iTunes, or similar cards. These are almost always a sign of fraud. And ask someone for help. The Better Business Bureau research shows that asking someone else is an important factor in reducing the chance of being scammed. This segment is brought to you by Cyberlytica. Cyberlytica provides over 20 different cyber threat intelligence services, including dark web monitoring.